Started working on this gorgeous Jeep. The owner dropped it off. It had to sit for a couple days because I had a power outage. Tried to start it up and no power. So I've jumped it off of my vehicle, checked the voltage at the battery. I've got good voltage, 14.6 volts. This is giving me an indication that to start, there's a bad battery, likely a bad battery or failing battery. I'll have to do a few more checks on this, but this definitely possibly explains why they were having slow starts. First step, since the battery doesn't seem to be holding a charge or it's getting weak in cold weather, I'm going to pull this and take it to an automotive parts place and have them check it overnight. I've replaced the battery and I'm hoping that resolves B210A system voltage low. The battery was definitely bad.